What color is it, Nala? Green. Today we're going to be painting our favorite color. Painted it yellow with our sponge brushes. Yeah? And then I used the glue to squeeze out lines of glue. Yeah, this one is yellow, so I can stick it to my plate.
So our focus for the N1 students was to introspect and learn about who we are. And a lot of who we are for the little ones is, what is my name? What do I like? And so we looked at many things. We looked at how do we look? We looked at mirrors, and then we moved on to making self-portraits with our art teacher, Mr. Alex. And we used different media, and they really practiced looking at their reflection and seeing where are my eyes, where is my nose, and where is my mouth. And that was the big part, a big first step of our process. And then we wanted to continue into introspection about our preferences, and these were things like, what is my favorite color, what is my favorite food, what is my favorite animal, in which the students, with some help from their parents, contributed their preferences. And they would be things like, I like pink. So we were moving on from our physical appearance to our mental and emotional characteristics, the things that make us who we are, not just by how we look on the outside. And what I wanted to have our students continue doing was going from what do I like to extending to what we like. So this unit was transdisciplinary because all the students were learning how to communicate and speak about their preferences. They were practicing saying things like, these are my eyes, these are my ears, and they were practicing listening. And continuing from that, they also started to make connections. So they would start to see the things they like and start saying, I like that, after being told this is what they already liked. So in the last part of this video, we are working on connecting that. Who likes the same color? Where do we come from? We all come from the same place. And how can we extend beyond just our classroom? So starting from ourselves, we extend to our friends, and then we extend on to outsiders, which we are hopefully going to be able to connect to His Majesty King Rama IX. And what I would like to look at is some of the examples were using the mirrors to look at ourselves. Some of the examples were looking at our portraits and painting, using windows, using different media such as dried beans, rice, stamping. We also used different pictures which they would choose themselves, and either they said they liked it or they didn't like it.